Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you're watching me from. So it's your girl Gaki back again with another interesting video. So today what we are going to do, we are going to paint. We are going to paint our bed. Yes, I'm going to paint my bed. It doesn't look so good. It doesn't look good at all. It doesn't look good at all. I think you can see that. I'm going to paint it with you guys. And yeah, I'll take you along and mtaona keja nafanya. My bedroom iko too messy tena sana. There is my laundry basket with some clean clothes, but sijazifold. Yeah, but not today, not today, not today, not today. So what I'm going to do, I'm wearing a t-shirt yenye iko na paint. Sasa kuchafua nguo. So this one itanisaidia sana when I'm painting. Hata kichafuka, I don't care. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to take all my beddings in the living room. Then we remain with the bed alone, like an empty bed with no mattress, no beddings on it. So that tunaweza paint na amani. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. Support your girl over here. I have 61 solid subscribers. I really appreciate for always coming back to support me. I do different kind of videos on this channel, cooking, and a lot more will be coming. Yes, a lot more will be coming. Not only cooking, you'll see lifestyle, beauty, and all that. A lot more will be coming. So stick around, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so that you won't be left out, and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. Okay guys, so stay tuned and let's do this. So guys, this is the first coat. This is the first coat that I've applied. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know. I don't know if you can see that, but this one is not rangi. Hii ni zile mbao zenye ziko smooth. I don't know if you guys can see that. Before it was very dirty. It was so dirty before, but now let's wait for this one to dry. So this is the outcome after painting the whole bed. Do you see that? I don't know if you guys can see. So white like the walls. Mm, nice.